Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, required fields, input masks, and validation rules. This prevents rework. Open the destination file or form and enable autosave to 1 5-minute intervals so progress is preserved. Once done, set a consistent naming convention like YIMD project record V1 to avoid duplicates. Start with one record to check formats. Make sure date and numeric formats match system expectations. If a template exists, use it. Otherwise, create a minimal template now to speed every subsequent entry. Now you move into the detailed execution. Validate each batch with spell check, format checks, and duplicate detection to catch errors early. While entering, apply field-level locks and role-based access to protect sensitive cells or columns. This prevents accidental overwrites. Once a meaningful batch is complete, back up to both local and cloud locations. Make sure backups are incremental to save space. If automation is available, write small scripts or macros to enforce rules. Then run them and review flagged issues before proceeding. To finish, run comprehensive consistency checks. Totals, key ID, and cross-field logic must reconcile. Export a final copy in the required format and record a checksum or version note with the file name. This proves integrity. Once archived, communicate the saved location to stakeholders and lock the final version. If something goes wrong, first revert to the last good backup, then document the exact fix and rerun validations. This preserves auditability and prevents repeated mistakes. Always learn from the investigation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.